Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Arenti camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, Arenti cameras rely heavily on the QR code pairing during the setup. So if your camera cannot scan properly, the connection will fail even before Wi-Fi is involved in it. So you need to first of all increase the phone's brightness, then remove any glare and keep a steady distance while scanning. Wait for the confirmation sound before moving forward. So you need to make sure that you keep this thing in mind. Now, Arenti cameras sometimes fail if your router cannot assign a proper IP address. So you need to basically restart your router and make sure that it allows new devices to join. If the DHCP pool is full or restricted, the camera will not connect. So you can also basically free up any unused devices from the networks list. Now, even with the strong Wi-Fi bars, the unstable signals can break the setup process. Interference from the walls, routers, or other electronics can also interrupt the pairing. So you need to make sure that you place your camera close to the router during the setup, then you can move it later. If your phone is using any kind of VPNs or switching between the mobile data or Wi-Fi, the setup may fail. So you need to make sure that if you are using any kind of VPNs, you turn them off. Also ensure that your phone stays connected to the same Wi-Fi network during the setup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.